What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you on how to complete the latest Inferium tax. So in this video I'll be showing you on how to add the Coingecko, and also on how to add Inferium to your X and your Telegram. So you add your Telegram name. So I'll be showing you this video. Make sure you watch to the end so that you can also learn how to do this yourself. So the first thing first is this information which I get from Inferium announcement group. So this is the latest information, which is to add your Inferium to your X, this is your Twitter and your Telegram name. So you can see now, for example, you add Jane to Inferium, you can see, and the submission for this to be ended by what, May 17. So let's go ahead and let's proceed so that you can get started. So now, and this is the latest dashboard from the latest Inferium tax. So now, on how to add this to your Coingecko is very simple. You see, screenshot it, upload it to Drive and submit it, the link, and submission to be snapped on May 16. So you copy the link from the Inferium, you copy it. Once you have copied it, you go to your browser. So once you enter any of your browser, so once you have pasted it to any of your browser, so this is how it's going to show your Inferium. It's going to be showing like this. It's going to show add to portfolio. So first thing first, you have to create, don't have an account before, you create an account or you log into our account. So once you are done, you are good to go. So you can see create account here and also to log in account. Now I already log into my account now. So what I'm going to do is to add Inferium to your profile here. So you can see add to profile. So you click on this add to profile and you click on to add to my profile. So once you are done, you are good to go. Next thing to do is you will take the screenshot of what you have added to your profile. So let me take a screenshot so that you can do it. So you see now I've added it to my profile. So now you need a screenshot, so I'll take a screenshot now. So I'm back now on Inferium. So I will scroll down back and I'll go to the tags which I just did now. So I'll paste the link right here. Once I paste the link, I'm going to submit it. But now the code is not working. To swipe it to the submit is not going now. So I will put it on desktop site. So if I put it on desktop site, it will be easy for me to do the tags. I hope you understand. So now I will verify it again now. So I'll verify my cash out now. So once I verify my cash out, and I'll go back to the Coingecko verification. So I'll click on this submit. So you can see it's on review now. It's on review. So once it has complete, the review has complete, I'm going to get 10 Ethereum. So I'll change back to the LASTEst site back. So the next thing to do is to complete the other tags right here. So next thing to do is to complete the other tags right here. So this one is saying what? Add Inferium to your X and Telegram name and submit your X handle and Telegram handle. Submission to be what? On snapshot on what? May 15. I'm getting 10 Inferium. So you can also see from that Telegram also. So now to complete it, I'll go to my Telegram. So I'll go to my profile here. I'll click on the edit info and I will put Inferium on my Telegram. So I'll put it Inferium. So I'll put it there. I'll put the sign there. So that is it there. So once I have put it there, next thing to do is to go back. So once I'm done, I'll copy my username. So copy your Telegram link. So I've copied it already now. So I need the Telegram link now. So I'll just copy this. I'll copy this Telegram link which I have here. So once I've copied it, I'll go back to my Telegram now. So when I go back to my Telegram, so I want to edit the link. So let me just go to this on my other number here to edit it. So I'll paste it here and I'll remove it and I'll put my username and I'll remove the @ there, which is that. So I'll remove it and I'll copy it. So I'll leave it like that and I'll go back to I'll go to my X now. So I'm done with it Telegram one. So next thing to do is to go to X. So I'm on X now. So I'll go to my edit profile now. So once I click on this edit profile, I will input the Inferium hashtag which I have with me. So I'll paste it here. So I'll click on this save. So once you are done, you click on this save. But now it's not going. So what I will do is that, so bio can't include on X. So what I will do is I will switch to my other account. So once I switch to my other account, I can be able to complete these tags. So this is my other account here. I'll click on this profile and edit the profile again. So now I'll paste the hashtag which I have already. You paste it here. Once you are done, you click on this save. Click on save. So once you click on save now, you are good to go. So you paste it only on your name. So once you have pasted on your name, you are good to go. So next thing to do is to click on this save and I am done. So next thing to do is to copy your Twitter name. You copy your Twitter link. So to copy my Twitter link, you can use any of these. So I will copy it, or you can use Twitter post. So to get my Twitter link, so with your phone has a copy link, you can copy the link. I hope you understand. So I will remove the last part of it. So if you know your username, you just remove the last part of it and I will copy it. So I'll go back to my Telegram to get the other link which I have, which is a Telegram profile link, my Telegram username. So I'll go back to my Telegram here and I'll paste my Twitter with it. So I'll copy both of it. I'll select all and I'll copy it. The next thing to do is to go back to my Inferium. So if you are on Inferium, you paste it on your Inferium. You paste the both link here. So you click on this submit. So once you click on submit, it will be showing in review. So once the review has done, you are going to get 10 Inferium. So that is the task you need to do on Inferium LASTEst. So you go to your profile. If you are on Inferium, you go to your profile and you link your social medias. So you connect your Telegram, Discord and Twitter. I hope you understand. Make sure you connect Discord, Telegram and Twitter. You can also connect the GitHub too. Understand? So make sure you do this if you are mining Inferium. I hope you understand. So you can also connect your wallet, but it's optional for now. So once the claiming is open, we are going to connect our wallet and are going to start claiming Inferium. I hope you understand. You can also check my full video which I did on Inferium and how to start mining Inferium. So and don't forget to also shout on the Telegram Inferium and also get 20 Inferium every week. I hope you understand. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share the video to your friends